She exercises a lot, she's very active, but there are areas of the body that doesn't go away or be the last to go away even if you lose so much pounds or inches. That's where we do the sculpting. So we remove that and we remove that permanently. Fat removed from unwanted areas, actually we transfer to areas where the patients need it. So mostly to the butt, to the breast, and to the sides to increase the curves.
Hi, welcome back to hollywoodceleb.tv, and I'm here in the Philippines, and I found a celebrity doctor, and he's one of the best plastic surgeons here in the Philippines, or probably one in the world.
Centuria Medical Makati is a 28-story building, 600 offices, multi-specialties. Now, I ran the operating room system. Philippines is not only a nice place to visit, but we have very competent doctors here who can give you the results you want at a much affordable price.
Dr. James Joaquino, how long have you been doing cosmetic surgery?
Okay, I started doing cosmetic surgery since 1990s, so that's about almost 30 years in practice. Okay, and we do both reconstructive and cosmetic, but I have gravitated towards cosmetic procedures.
Was it something you always wanted to do when you were a child or growing up?
When I was a kid, I really wanted to work with my hands, and that means I would wanted to be a doctor and a surgeon.
I was actually in the operating room with you, and it's just amazing how you sculpture the body of these women. A lot of them are celebrities, and
Celebrities, that's their line of work, and they have to maintain their beauty. Okay, I don't think any celebrity would like comments like, "Oh, this celebrity is getting old." They would rather have comments like, "How come they're not getting older?" So, with a little help from our specialty, we either enhance some of them and we maintain their beauty as well.
so speaking of celebrity, you just did a celebrity, and I was in the operating with you, Scarlet Cil. Tell me exactly what you did. This was some major work that you did.
First and foremost, we talk to the patient lengthily and ask them what bothers them. For example, their makeup artists or their photographers would suggest that we enhance or change a bit. For example, a celebrity might say, "Oh, my photographer has a favorite angle when they take pictures, and I want to look good in all angles." Okay, or like for example, two-dimensional images like TV or screen will make everybody wider, so they want to look thinner on screen. And thank goodness we have advanced technology that can sculpt the body right now. And sculpting is one of the most commonly sought after procedures in cosmetic surgery. So with Scarlett, she exercises a lot, she's very active, but there are areas of the body that doesn't go away or be the last to go away even if you lose so much pounds or inches. That's where we do the sculpting. So we remove that and we remove that permanently. Fat removed from unwanted areas, actually we transfer to areas where the patients need it. So mostly to the butt, to the breast, and to the sides to increase the curves.
There's a lot of cosmetic surgeons that prefer that the patient will do it gradually. Like, let's say if they want to do the nose first, and then they do the breast next, and then they do the liposuction. What is your comment on that? What is your opinion on, should they do it all at one time, or should they gradually do it as time goes by?
We're doctors first before we're cosmetic surgeons. So if it's safe to do the procedure at the same time, I'm a believer in that because it saves the patient time, because all these procedures will heal at the same time. Okay, now some doctors would stage the procedure. For example, liposculpting. For example, with Scarlett, we enhanced the breast. We did a whole body liposculpting basically. Yet right now she's up on bed, even on the second day after surgery. So it can be done safely. But of course, we need to follow world standards of what is safe.
Also, at the same time, what I do like about this center is that you can bring the patients one floor up and they're resting opposed to being stuck in traffic. And afterwards, there's a mall, Century City Mall, where they can exercise and have their family members there. So it becomes like a vacation.
Well, this is the concept of the developer. The developer wanted to put up a one-stop shop building, a medical techno facility. So it's big, it's complete. We have lower overhead cost. The cost is sometimes half or a third of what you get in the US. So we do get a lot of Phil-Ams and mainstream Americans coming over, and also from the region and also from Europe. So this is it. This is the best facility in the country right now.
After the surgery, it takes 7 days for them to heal. They can actually go to one of the nearby islands like Boracay, Palawan, and continue their vacation after their surgery, right?
Right, right. It really depends on the type of surgery that is needed. Sometimes they have to stay here in Manila for a month. But most of the surgeries, most patients fly out safely after about a week.
What about breast augmentation?
Breast augmentation is one of the more common procedures. Personally, I don't allow my patients to fly out of the country within 10 days because you can still have some complications which we need to attend to. But patients are up and about the following day. They're encouraged to move around as much as they can, and I only allow them to fly if they fly to a place where I know personally another plastic surgeon can take care of them if they have some concerns.
All right. Well, that's good. And you have personal attention to every patient that attends you. Okay. Well, thank you very, very much, Dr. James Joaquino. And I hope more people will come to you and come to this great facility and look your masterpiece.
Thank you very much, Ace. I'm really happy that you're here so that more people will know that the Philippines is not only a nice place to visit, but we have very competent doctors here who can give you the results you want at a much, much, much affordable price.
Great. So you heard from Dr. James Joaquino here at Centurion Medical Makati. And you're watching hollywoodceleb.tv.